Unbox the new PHILLY 10,000 milliamp hours power bank with me.
Yo, what's up, guys? So this is the PHILLY Powerbank. Are you surprised to see this? It's a very new powerbank, a new modernized powerbank. It's 10,000 mAh. Very popular powerbank. Now as you can see, it's full percentage PHILLY. Very popular, fast charging, 22 watts slash 17 watts, 10,000 mAh powerbank. Click the link in the description for those that are in Nigeria, those that are in Africa that uses the Jumia application. Click the link in the description and buy this powerbank. It charges your phone very quickly. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you think and let me make other future videos. It's a very popular powerbank, trending powerbank now in Nigeria, as you can see. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace. So let's test how it charges right here. I'm going to plug it to my device now to see how it charges. This is the fast charging cord. We're going to see how it charges. The fast charging USB short, USB micro USB to USB A charging cord, charging cord.